Man, what's good YouTube? It is Digital Hustler back with another video. And look, man, in this video I got a special video for y'all. I'm going to be breaking down what is Forex, and I'm actually going to leverage someone else's video to react to this video. Man, I definitely want y'all to just pay attention. For those that don't know what Forex is and want to get into or thought about it, seen about it before, was intrigued by it in the past and necessarily didn't know fully what it was, I'm going to be explaining that in this video and give y'all a little bit more insight of how I got into it, what I'm doing currently, my viewpoint on it itself, on the foreign exchange market. Right? Definitely like and subscribe to the channel. Watch my other videos for another breakdowns and understanding of what the foreign exchange market is, and just more information, because this channel, hey man, I can't speak too much about it, but look.
You may have needed to exchange your money. If so, you have already participated in Forex trading. Forex is the short form of foreign exchange.
Foreign exchange, yes sir.
Well, Forex is a bit more than that. For example, companies buy goods from other countries. In order to buy them, they need to obtain the local currency first, just like us when going on holiday. The difference is they will exchange huge amounts. When these companies exchange these huge amounts, they will actually move the price because the demand for the currency that they need increases. When the demand increases, the price increases. With all this exchanging going on around the world, the exchange rates constantly move. This is how it works.
Okay, pause. I actually didn't know this. I didn't know that you know, companies' goods and stuff like that really affect the market, you know, as much. I didn't know that personally. What I thought was, of course, you know, the value of the dollar and the dollar of the Great Britain is different, you know. So if I'm going to Great Britain and I'm trying to switch my US dollars into their currency, then me personally, I thought that the more, you know, exchanges and stuff like that, that's what moved the price. I didn't know it was the demand of goods and stuff, but let's keep going.
Currencies are exchanged, they have a certain price, the exchange rate. As in any market, the price of a currency is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are many people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. Let's use an everyday example to explain how you can actually profit from this. Say you live in Europe and went on holiday to the United States. Let's say that you changed your 500 euros into US dollars at the rate of $1.4 for every euro.
Hold on.
You got
1.4. Y'all, if y'all don't know, my favorite subject was math in school. Hold on, let me see if I can do this. So he said 500 euros, 1.40. So isn't that 540? We're gonna see 540. That's what I believe it should
US
be
dollars, but you do not spend any money at all. So you still have $700 after you come back.
700? After
the exchange rate moved from 1.4 to 1.3, instead of getting just 500 euros back, you actually get 538.5 euros. You have gained 38.5 euros simply from holding your money in dollars while the exchange rate changed. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market.
Yeah,
we buy a certain amount of a currency, hold on to it whilst the exchange rate moves, then change it back, making money along the way. How to decide when the right time to buy and sell is exactly what we teach you throughout the rest of our learning lessons. As you can imagine, traveling a lot and saving a bit of money on your holiday budget and then exchanging it, it's not really a practical approach to trading currencies. Fortunately, there is an easier way to do this. You can trade currency through online exchange offices called brokers.
Yes, sir.
What this means is that you can exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Just as in the example of when you went on holiday, you can buy different currencies and make a profit as the exchange rates change. This is trading the Forex market. Trading Forex online with a broker has many benefits. You can trade Forex from your home or anywhere that you have an internet connection. The Forex market never sleeps. It is open 24 hours a day.
Hold on.
5 days a week, and so can suit your daily routine.
Yeah, so basically I want to hear that last part, but yeah, it does. The market, like for example, today is Friday, it's 9 o'clock right now. Friday at 5:04, one of those two, I believe. The market always closes on Fridays, right? 5:04, and then it opens at Sunday 5:04. It's either, so if it closes on Friday at 4, then it opens on Sunday at 5. If it closes on Friday at 5, then it opens on Sunday at 4. I always get them mixed up. But yeah, so with that being said, basically everything that he's saying right now, that's pretty much, you know, like what I do, obviously. But what I really want to relate to is that the whole being able to trade from anywhere, wherever you at in the world, you know. I was in Honduras at the time, and the way I was just making money, I was studying my craft, and I was also helping other people at the same time, being on a whole different country. Mind you, the Wi-Fi in Honduras is not that great. Like, it just made sense to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like traveling. I like spending time with my family. I like making money, obviously. You know, so just the whole thing of just being able to have that freedom, you know, that time freedom where you can actually make more money in less time. It just attracted me to just trading in general. And that's why I took it so serious, because it's certain things that can happen in your life that switch your perspective on, you know, spending so much time and making so much money. A lot of people in families, what they do is they'll, you know, work for so many hours, so many days, so many months for their family to make more money, but they're losing quality time with their family. You know, and what I realized recently is that I believe that time is way more valuable than money. All right, because it can get to a certain point in your life where you can make more money in less time. You know what I'm saying? So just understanding that, and just understanding the fact that me personally, I don't want to miss out on my life because of money. You know what I'm saying? Like, something that I like making, I like getting. But if I can incorporate making money in the things that I already do on a daily basis, you know, so like trading, I do that regardless if I'm mad, sad, happy, or glad. Right? All I got to do is pull a camera out, record myself, give y'all information about the markets, you know, because my results speaks for themselves. I can lose 6 trades and make my profits back in 1, you know. So with that being said, just being able to share this information with y'all, being able to trade from anywhere, it's like I'm, you know, domino effect. If I'm making money here, I can make money in this too, you know. So that's why trading just attracts me so much. So, you know, I'm pretty much related to what he's saying right now, but let's continue.
You do not need a huge budget to get started. As little as $150 is enough to begin trading and building your account over time. Of course, it will require some learning until you get there, but this is exactly what
yeah, y'all, that's the end of that video. But basically what he said at the end with the whole you know, being able to be suitable to you and stuff like that, and that's another thing that I like, because the way I trade with limits. I don't just price where it's at currently in the market. I always put limits in, either buy limit, sell limit, because most times that I'm trading, I'm literally at work, bro. Like, that's why sometimes my trading be so off. I may lose a lot of trades. And that's another thing, when you trade, you want to be in the more calm and subtle type energy, you know. Me being at work, working at the time, mind you, I don't just be standing around on it. I literally be like throwing packages on the belt and still be trading, bro. So it's like, it gets hard sometimes, and that's why sometimes I have a lot of losses on my account, just because that I don't get to focus. Like today, I missed out on a 60 pip move on GP and ZD, right? Which would have made me pass the challenge, you know what I'm saying? And I missed that trade because I was working. I marked it up and everything. Yeah, I couldn't necessarily put the trade in because, like I said, it was just packages coming. I had to keep throwing them, and you know, the whole trading in general thing, it's just something that I love to do myself, because I already like math. It's basically just literally shapes, graphs, numbers, you know. So it just already clicked with me at the beginning, and now being able to actually understand what I'm doing, it just made me fall in love with it more, you know, because it's something that I didn't think I was gonna get to this point, you know. And for any other young traders out there, traders that just started off, man, keep doing you, keep going. It don't matter if you find somebody else that's trade better than you, or you find something else that seems better than what you're doing currently. If you already getting your mojo, you already getting down pat what you're doing, keep doing that. You know what I'm saying? Do not switch your strategy just because. And that's one problem I had, and it's crazy because it's like everything that you do in life, it always circles around. It was the same thing with basketball. When I used to shoot, I see Stephen Curry or Klay Thompson. I kid you not, I used to shoot like Klay. All right, then I switched to Stephen Curry. I'm not even joking, y'all, when I tell you I'm being so dead. Being so serious. All right. It's an example that I want to show y'all that it don't matter what other people are doing. If something is clicking with you, if it's not broke, then don't fix it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's just another tip that I want to give y'all, because I used to do that a lot. Like I would always be switching strategies from this strategy to that strategy, trading breakouts, support and resistance, support. Trying different what's that called, softwares and stuff like that. Like, man, learn one thing and stick to it. You know, that's one of the best advice that I can give y'all with trading, because if you keep switching around and stuff like that, you're never gonna really understand your own strategy, your own methodology, your own edge, you know, in the market. So yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. That's pretty much why I am trading in the foreign exchange market, because it just makes sense. You know, I want to do a lot of things in life, which is like businesses, corporations that I'm not even gonna speak about just yet, but it's all just planned out, you know what I'm saying? So just having something that can make me money in a rapid pace, and put that into long-term investments around me, you know, family, helping my family out and stuff like that, putting my family on game, it just made sense to me. That's why I took that risk. But I literally gave up college for this. Like, I literally told my parents I don't want to go to college. I want to learn how to trade, and I learned how to trade through the academy. And I might make a video about I'm Academy and Rise Academy, even though I haven't had any type of, you know, correlation with Rise Academy. Just put it in the word, you know, just letting y'all know some real shit, you know what I'm saying, some real spill. So if you're thinking about joining I Am Academy and Rise Academy, definitely stay tuned for the next video, because that's gonna be a whole nother breakdown, and you know, the couple things that I'm gonna say. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. You know, drop that like, drop that comment, you know, subscribe, share with your friends. If you have any friends that want to learn more about Forex and what it is, even if me and you have the same type of, you know, perspective or thought process on it, and that's why you wanted to get into it, you wanted to show somebody else, you know, definitely send this video. But yeah, y'all, I'm catch you on the next video. Keep attacking these markets, and I'm see you on the next one.